Many months ago, I had an issue with my main master bathroom fan, and I was able to go and basically fix it up, and it lasted maybe about another 6 months. And then disaster struck. Burn marks on the coil pack. Wow. So I went over to, this is a Broan model, Nutone Broan, and I went over to Lowe's and I grabbed a replacement unit, but I tested it and it did not meet specs. I was very disappointed in it, so I returned it and I bought this one from eBay. This was a lot less money, and I just have the fan temporarily pushed on there. It's not all the way. This is supposed to have better specifications. So the one from Lowe's didn't draw as much current, although they claimed it still did the same 50 CFM. No, it didn't. And this one's 0.7 amps. This one, I know the labeling has fallen off, but it was also 0.7 amps. And the fan is ever so slightly different. That is, it has holes in it rather than it being a solid top, so to speak, or just I guess a solid bottom, depending on which way you want to look at it. So how about we go and test this one that I got for a lot less money on Fleabay. This is going to be a little awkward, to say the least. All right, let's see what's happening. And I'm going to test, I hope you can see this. I'm going to test the RPMs. Now, obviously, this isn't installed. I'm getting, say, 2,400 something or other. I hope you can kind of see that. It bounces around a little bit. I'm not exactly very steady at this angle at the moment. Okay, around 2,400 or something like that. Let's see, 37 watts. And, it's a highly inductive load. Let's see, 122 volts, 0.71 amps. Okay, that's good. That certainly meets the rating of 0.70. And the power factor, where are we? I went right by it. 0.41. So yeah, highly inductive load. So including the power factor, this thing is doing what it should be doing. Okay, great. About 37 watts with the fan on. It was less than that without the fan on, no load. But the most important thing is it meets its current rating, and it's close-ish to the 3,000 RPM rating. Believe it or not, I tested another one from Lowe's, and it wasn't even close. So when I did the exact same test set up this way, I was getting like maybe 1,900 RPM. This is a lot better at, like say 2,400 or so. Yeah, 2,400, 2,500. Now when you install it, some things are going to change a little bit because the load's going to change. But I'm pretty happy with this, and the fact that it's also cheaper than the one that I found at Lowe's.